It may seem tedious and difficult, but citing sources is an important part of the research process. In this tutorial, you will learn why citing sources is so important and when sources should be cited. There are several reasons to cite a source. First and foremost, you want to avoid plagiarism by acknowledging when ideas and information come from another person. If you fail to do this, you are claiming them as your own. Please consult the plagiarism tutorial to learn about the consequences of such actions. By citing sources, you clearly then identify your own original ideas from those of other authors. Many times you'll use another author's citations to find resources for your own research. Citing sources continues this practice by showing readers where you found information and allowing them an easy way to find it and possibly use it for themselves. Finally, citations also show that you have written a paper or produced a project using quality resources to support your ideas. In other words, they show that you have actually done research. There are several situations when it is necessary to cite. Any direct quotes from a work must be cited. You must also cite any paraphrases. Paraphrasing is when you take an idea or fact from another source and put it into your own words. In general, you do not need to cite well-known proverbs, familiar quotations, or common knowledge. If you are unsure whether something is common or uncommon knowledge, cite its source just in case. Remember, what is considered common knowledge will depend on your audience. If you are writing a paper for readers who have advanced degrees, their common knowledge on the subject will be very different than the general public. Finally, make sure to cite any non-text sources such as graphs, images, photos, etc. Always check the assignment or with the professor to know the appropriate citation style to use. Remember that most styles require both in-text citations and a list of references.